welcome to Letscookolet. Today we want to show you how to make wheat ball soup, and known as a Zinkoul as well. And for the wheat ball soup, I'm using here the #1 crushed wheat, which is very fine. And the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna soak it. We're gonna soak the burgle and a hot water. Just make sure the water to cover the burgle. Give it a little mix and let it sit for like 7 to 10 minutes. Put it on the side, and now we're gonna work on the onion. The onion, you can dice it, you can slice it the way you want. Not me, I like to slice it small slices like this here. So stove on a medium high, and you can use either olive oil or vegetable oil. I'm using olive oil here. Voila. Now we're gonna caramelize the onion, and I'm using here two medium onions. Nice caramelized. And now I'm gonna add the chickpeas. It's about 2 cups. Salt and pepper. And we're gonna add water. Voila, give it a little mix and let it simmer for till the chickpeas nice and soft. Bring it to medium low and let it simmer. Now we're gonna work on the crushed wheat, the one we soaked. So what I need here, a flour, and I'm gonna add a little bit flour at the time. Now we're gonna start mix it. You can see here like they absorb all the water. And now we're gonna mix it with the flour. Add a little bit at the time. Voila, you see that? So even if you feel comfortable mixing it with your hand, go for it. Do it your way, as long as we got the same result. Nice. Now you can put a little bit oil on your hand, and you grab a little bit, roll it like a ball, like this here, or you can use the flour, the little flour on the board, and just roll it like this with the knife. And doesn't have to be perfect shape, just roll it a little bit to be like a little ball and good to go. Voila, almost ready. All what you need, just a little patience, and they're ready to go. Nice, here we go. Now we're gonna put it all in here and let it simmer. Put it individual, just one by one, because you don't want them to stick together. Voila, and give it a gentle stir, just to separate. And me, I like wine vinegar, so I'm gonna put a little wine vinegar when simmering here, and I'll add some to the plate after. Nice, look at this. It's been simmering for 20 minutes, and me personally, I like to add some spinach. Now it's time to have our lunch. Wow, nice. Voila. Look good, smell good. Before I start, I'm gonna add the wine vinegar. Usually they put apple cider vinegar, but me personally, I like red wine vinegar. Give it a little mix. It's gonna be hot. Wow, exactly the way I was expecting it. Wheat ball soup, and in Lebanese they call it Zinkoul. So you should make this at home. Don't wait, because it's amazing, amazing soup. So it's all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.